Hello friends, welcome again in our second video. In the first video we learn about the material sources of modern Indian history, and in this video we have to learn about the written sources of modern Indian history. And in this video we have to learn about the aspects that are included in the written sources of modern Indian history. So this modern Indian history, for your homework you have to write the period of modern Indian history. Now what are the aspects are included in it? That is correspondence, foreign accounts, newspapers, biographies, periodicals, factory records, autobiographies and books. These are the aspects that are included in the written sources. Now about the newspaper and periodicals, we have to learn. Newspapers provides us information about the contemporary events. Contemporary means belonging to the present time. Belonging to the present time, it is contemporary, or belonging to the same time. And this newspaper gives us an information about the present time, and along with it detailed analysis of a particular event, views of eminent people, editorials are also published. And this newspaper gives us the detailed analysis or the right information of a particular event. View of eminent people means the views or the thoughts of eminent or scholar peoples that also published in the newspaper, and editorials are also published in the newspaper. And what we get from the newspaper, we get information about the political, social, economic and cultural happenings of that period. Newspaper gives us an information not only about the political but also social, economical and cultural happenings in the country or of that period. This all information we get from the newspapers. Some of the examples are given, or some of the newspapers names are given of that particular period. That is Jnanoday, Jnana Prakash, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Deenabandhu, Kesari acted as important source of awakening the minds of the people. And these names of the newspaper, they are Jnanoday, Jnana Prakash, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Deenabandhu and Kesari. These newspapers, they did good to awake the people, to encourage the people to fight against the British government. Through the newspaper we can study the British policies regarding India and their effects on India. And we know Britishers ruled over our country near about 150 years, and these newspapers focus on the policies of British government regarding India and their effects on Indian society. During the British period, newspapers were not only the sources of political event but also acted as the sources of social reformation. Reformation means striking change for the better social or political religious affairs, means to change up the mind of the people or change for the better social or political religious affairs. This is reformation, and the newspaper, they did the good work for the reformation or in the change of the common people's life. Nibandhamala by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar. Nibandhamala by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar and Shatapatre written by Lokhitvadi. Nibandhamala by whom? It was by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar and Shatapatre written by Lokhitvadi alias Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Alias means the name that has been assumed temporarily. For example, Mahatma Gandhi. We said them Mahatma. Gopal Hari Deshmukh, or they were known with the name Lokahitwadi. What did they wrote? Shatapatre. Then in the weekly, Prabhakar comments on a various social and cultural issue. Weekly means published one time in a week, that is weekly. And Prabhakar, it was Prabhakar weekly. Prabhakar comments on various social and cultural issues of that period. Means these newspapers, they helps people to aware about the social conditions or the right information about the particular time. Now let us know about the work of Dr. Ambedkar to awake the people, and what did they start to give an information about the present situation of our country. Dr. Bambasaheb Ambedkar and newspaper. In January 1920, Dr. Ambedkar started the fortnightly. Fortnightly means occurring every 2 weeks, or published every after 2 weeks, and weekly means in a week one time, and fortnightly means in a 2 week one time, that is Mook Nayak. Fortnightly. What was fortnight? Fortnight means occurs or published in a 2 weeks, that is fortnightly. And Mook Nayak, it was started by Dr. Ambedkar in the year 1920, but later on Dr. Ambedkar had to leave for higher studies to England, and hence he handed over this paper to his colleagues. In April 1927, Dr. Ambedkar started the newspaper Bahishkrut Bharat. Through the medium of Bahishkrut Bharat, he wrote for the reformation of common people and bringing unity among them. Apart from this, he also started 2 more newspapers, namely Janata and Prabuddha Bharat. Fortnightly Mook Nayak, it was started by Dr. Ambedkar in the year 1920, but later on, for the higher study, they needs to go England, and so they handed over the responsibility to publish this fortnightly Mook Nayak to their colleagues. After that, Dr. Ambedkar started Bahishkrut Bharat, and then Janata and Prabuddha Bharat. These newspapers were also started by Dr. Ambedkar to encourage the people against the British government and to fight against the British government. So this is about the newspaper and the periodicals, and in this we learn which were the newspapers that were published by the Indians to fight against Britishers, and how did it helps. Then who wrote Nibandhamala and Shatapatre and so on, and what is the contribution of Dr. Ambedkar in the sector of newspaper. That all things we have learned in this newspaper and periodicals. Now maps and drawings that we will learn in the next video. So which were the difficult words in it? Reformation means striking changes for the better social or political religious affairs. Then we learn about the allies. Allies means the name that has been assumed temporarily. Then we learn about the contemporary. Contemporary means belonging to the present time. And fortnightly means occurring every 2 weeks, and weekly means that occurs one time only in a week. So just read it again and answer the questions that I have asked in the videos.